everyone. Hello.
Yeah.
There's a whole bunch of you here. Can everybody hear me okay? Okay, good. I'm using the new iPad that we got as a result of selling the Creative. So I wanted to show you, this was the inspiration project. This was a little pouch that I bought at Michael's. Okay, so I couldn't figure out how to replicate it exactly like this. And after we make it, then we'll talk about it at the end and see if you figure out the system to this, and I'll tell you what's missing. And this was the first prototype, which is just literally made from total scraps, so I could try and figure it out. And then the second one, which I do really like this just because it has the Create on it. So that was with the cork, which was fun. This is the vinyl, but I turned it inside out. And on the back of some of that vinyl, yeah, I just thought it was pretty on the reverse side. So it looks like I used fabric, but then it's non-fraying because it's vinyl. So that's one option. And then yesterday I made the third one from wool felt that I found at Hobby Lobby, and it's my favorite so far. Does everybody have 6 pieces of fabric? That works.
I love these clips. I don't use pins at all anymore if I can avoid it.
I couldn't figure out how to attach the zipper like that. Okay, so we are now.
So Andrea, sorry. Altogether, you're going to have 4 pieces of 8 by 4.5, right?
No, 2 that are 8 by 4.5 and 2 that are 8 by 4.
Okay, okay.
I'm backwards.
Okay, Katie, that's super expensive. What can we do?
I think I did mine too, backwards.
I used this glue thing, double-sided glue.
Oh, that's a good idea, Usha. Okay, Katie, what I know that cork is not super forgiving if you take out the seam, but your seam allowance is pretty narrow. So I think if you take off the one piece and just turn it around, you know, use the other side, I still think it'll be okay because you can come up a little bit extra on the base and just use a acrylic ruler and a rotary cutter and cut it off at the end.
Okay, sounds good.